My great-grandfather, I don't know if he composed, but we sing a lot of his songs that he used to sing.
What's something your great-grandfather?
I mean, the stuff that we sing at home that he got from Eshes Chayil and stuff that my father used to sing.
What was his Eshes Chayil?
Eshes Chayil mi'imtzo v'loch mevdinim echram u'davar ayubana v'shula lo yechsa yimnos v'toy v'lo yirro kol yemei chayeyo dashutzei mei fishtim v'ataz b'chayvetz kapeyo hoi sukoni yoseicha mimerchok tovi lachmo v'atukam b'yoid laila v'titeteru v'esv'chok naroseyo zome muson devatikucheyo miprichapeyo notukurem chag b'yosh m'nei v'tametz lo yoseyo tova mogitro evsachlo lo yirbe b'laylo naira deyoshilcha b'kesh v'chapeyo tam chifo lach oi kabo ponesuleyo. And it's a sing song, you know?
Yeah. Well, you get a lot of words in there fast.
Well, you have to. See, the thing is, a lot of people, when they sing special Hasidic melodies, they sing the song, and they fit the words as they come.
Yes, I know.
So they run on to the next sentence. So
exactly.
So,
you like to get the actual sentence in where it's supposed to go.
That's it, you got to get the sentence in.